Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be going over the high-low indicator. I'm going to show you why is it important, how I use it, and how you guys can use it to your advantage. So right here, I have a clean chart. Go to indicators, go to invite-only scripts, click on high-low right here. Once you have that on your chart, you can see the indicator is now populated. So the way that this indicator works is that it automatically plots the high lows on the chart for you. So the reason why this is important is because a lot of people have issues identifying where the proper high lows are, right? So for example, here, there's a lot of candles here that wick up and they could be possibly considered highs, but you can see as price pushes up higher, it establishes that this is the actual high, right? So this is important because this can help you identify where the tops and bottoms are, right? So for example, over here, you have two highs. They reject off the same point. You can pretty much predict that price will probably drop from that point, which it did. Same with lows over here. You can see whenever these lows line up a little bit, not exactly, but a little bit, like for example, here, it's a couple lows. There's one there, one right here, and one right there. It's basically like a triple bottom. If you guys like to trade double tops, triple tops, double bottoms, triple bottoms, this could be helpful for you because this can help you identify where those points are, right? So for example, if you identify that right there, you could have taken a buy and taken this to the upside. For me personally, I don't typically trade that way, but I use this in conjunction with the momentum indicator. So like, for example, here you can see how there's a double bottom. And you see there's a buy signal right here. I could have possibly taken a buy at that point if I really wanted to, and then taken that on its way up. Or like, for example, over here as well, I could have taken a sell off this point right here. So this indicator has a lot of uses. It could be used to identify tops and bottoms. It can be used to identify continued directions, like continuations. For example, if you have higher highs that keep repeating each other, like for example over here, you can basically assume that price is going to continue to the upside, right? And then vice versa, if you have it in the opposite direction, like back here, and you see how lower lows continue to be established, you can use that to your advantage as well to continue taking sells. So this, again, this indicator is not used to be standalone. I mean, it can be, but it's not typically used standalone. I generally use it in conjunction with other indicators. So for example, if I'm looking for patterns like double tops, double bottoms, I'll also use a trend meter down here to confirm. Like, so for example, right here, if I see 3 tests right here for a triple bottom, but I see that it's in a downtrend, I probably am not going to take that for a sell, right? I probably would want to take it. I mean, I wouldn't take this for a buy. I would typically want to take it for a sell. So instead of looking for a triple bottom right here, I'm looking for maybe a double top or a triple top up here. And this is going to be more useful because if you took the buy here, you would have gone stopped out, right? Because price would have came back down. Vice versa, if you took the sell here instead, this would have worked to your advantage because you saw that test right there and you could have just taken the sell for a very nice win right there. So as you guys can see, it's a very versatile indicator. You guys can use it for whatever you need it for, really. It's really based on what you're using it for. So if you have a specific strategy that you use, you can go over it with me. I can show you how you can use this to your advantage. But you can see there's a lot of uses for this indicator, not just one specific one, and you can use it in conjunction with the other indicators that we have here as well. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, it looks like that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next.